Yo, 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 what up, what up? Can y'all hear me? Yo, 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 you guys there? Just wondering. Yo, Krish, what up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we got Janus just hopped on also. I'm gonna see what he's on. Yo, what up, Swap?
How's everyone doing, Bart?
How you doing?
Did anyone catch anything yesterday?
This is definitely rising.
Did anyone get anything yesterday? Because it was the US bank holiday, so I don't know how the markets were. I wasn't on too much yesterday. How many people got on? Jump into the analysis. This is the first time I've looked at the charts as well today, so it may take us a couple goes to
trading with Asan. When we buy entry. Oh, it's night for you. Yes, Krish, it's nighttime for me. It's 11:30 right now. What time is it for you?
The weekly. So the weekly on gold.
I'm gonna turn this down. I'm going to I mean, I want to see if he takes a trade, but I also want to listen to some music, if that's all right with you guys. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. When we buy, all right, trading, I don't know yet. 09, so it's 9 o'clock. Dang, that's cool. 9:30. Oh yeah, it's 11:30 right now. Can we buy 35, 36 area? 35, 36 area. Let me see. Let's see. I'm gonna need to redo these lines. I need to do some new lines. Let's see. Okay, we could probably do something like that maybe. Or like that. Yeah, that's more like it. Something like that. Fluidity, bro. My TP smash on that AUD I sent on IG. Let me double check it. But yeah, that's that's crazy, bro. You really did that, huh? That's what's up, Fluidity. That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's how you did it. You just took that trade. Is that the only one you took so far? If price breaks this choppy zone, then there's a lot of room to correct imbalance. Huge August 29th FVG to fill. Price could nosedive. That is true. There is a move kind of like that. And then, maybe another move right here, something like that. But yeah, if it closes underneath there's a lot of room to go down. So I mean, yeah, if we have a sell, we could possibly take a sell down here. But I definitely want to look at a little bit more information before we take a sell. But I definitely could see something possibly playing out like that. Turn this down a little bit. And I appreciate you guys all for joining me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or like. Just a thought, not trying. Oh, I know. Yeah, I kind of, like I said, when I read you guys' comments, I kind of just read it as if it's, you know, if I'm saying it, just so I could try to understand what you guys are saying, because you guys might be right. You guys might be right, bro. I'm using FundDat account. Please guide me which I use lot size. Trading with Hassan. You're using FundDat account. Or funded account. Sorry, I'm funded. I know what you mean. Okay, you're using a funded account. Please guide me which I use lot size. Trading 10K funded account. All right. Let's take a look. What lot size should I trade with a $10,000? Beginner traders position size. Listen up, Hassan. Look at this. What Google says. Beginner trader position size should be 1 micro lot, $1,000 worth for each 500 in account size. For example, if your account has $10,000, the approximate position size should be 2 mini lots. 1 micro lot, 20 equals 20 micro lots. 2 mini lots. If that makes any sense. What size lot can you trade with? Thus, a stop loss of 30 pips could represent a potential loss of $30 for a single mini lot, 300 for 10 mini lots, and 3,000 for 100 mini lots. Therefore, a 10,000 account and a 3% maximum risk per trade, you should leverage only up to 30 mini lots, even though you may have the ability to trade more. Bro, lot sizes are always calculated based on my stop loss. That part I don't understand, to be honest. I don't get why does it matter. I mean, I do know. So that way you could calculate the percentage you lose. Like I say, if you want to lose 3%, your stop loss could only be so far, correct? Yeah, that makes sense though. Let me see what Jan is talking about. Let me see what brother's talking about over here.
JJ on the weekly.
Oh, he's trading GJ.
Closed bearish, but it's kind of formed.
I know what that means. Oh, we're good enough. All right. Thanks, bro. Yeah, you're welcome. Possible 3 pip on 5 minute. Let's see. 3 piece on a 5. Ooh. Well, this is the thing I do. You are correct. The only thing is though, is it would need this one to wick it and then to come back. But let's see what this 4 hour is technically still bullish. So at any point that could still come around. That is a good observation, Krish. That is true. Uh-oh, let's see. The only thing is it could still come down. You are correct though, Krish. That's a good, I like that. I like that you're able to point that out. This would have to come down and then back up for us to continue up. But this is what's kind of scaring me, is the fact that we already did wick down like this. If you notice, the wick did already come down. But the thing is that it didn't break it the first time. Usually what I've noticed is that if it wants to break it, it's going to do it the first time before going up, you know? But the fact it stops like right there above it is like, it's letting me know it doesn't really want to go down there. So maybe that won't, I mean, it might not play out, it might, who knows, but that's something. That's a good idea. I mean, that's a good observation indeed, especially when it's funded. And yeah, that is true, champ. When it's funded, you definitely want to watch that. Bro, where are you from? I'm from Pakistan, trading with Hassan. I'm from the United States in California. If you ever heard of California. That's where I'm from. But yeah, I appreciate you for joining us trading. Trading with Hassan. Do you have like a strategy that you use when you trade, or do you kind of just whatever you see, you just kind of just give a? The reason why I ask is because with you trading on a funded account, you need to make sure you have a strategic plan ready, so that way you're not just jumping in and out of trades, and you don't want to be wasting money on funded accounts, you know. Just remember, Hassan, the more money you trade with doesn't mean you get better as a trader. So that's why I say focus on the strategy, get better on the strategy. Sitting in GJ losing position right now. Oh, dang it. Give me prayers, make it bullish. Okay, champ. What are you, GJ? It was this one, right? GBP. Oh. Champ. Sitting in the GJ losing. So did it technically go up? Bro, today I will join Discord. Today I create account. Oh yeah, no problem. Thank you for doing that. And if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. We got 16 people watching right now. And if you guys, actually too, in Trading with the Sun, I believe the Discord link is inside of the bio. So you guys could join the Discord just by clicking the link in our bio, or in the description on this video. 93 octane. That is true because I've tried it. No topic, no news either. Let's see. Ooh. If you kind of think about it, it's either that or it was this. Nah, bro, it does. Yeah, they definitely work off of prayer. All right, so look. Hey, champ, I just want to show you this. Look at this. Okay, you see how looks like a three-piece possibly right here, but this candle never broke the low before going up, right? So what I always say is that when we come up, we usually come back down to fill that, right? And look at that's the area that we're filling right now. So even this one didn't play out, it eventually got filled over here. So let's hope that this is, you know, the rejection that we do come back up. Wix charging $30 a prayer right now. I know. All members, please like and share. Thank you, Hassan. Appreciate that. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, hit that like and subscribe. Definitely. Oh my goodness. Krish, dang it, I just switched it. Look at what happened. Krish, I hope you're there, Krish. Oh man, I just missed that. Dang, guys, we just missed the three-piece. A perfect three-piece, we missed it. This is exactly the one Krish literally just called out. 5 seconds ago, he called it out. And if I would have been paying attention, I should have seen that. But look, guys, look. Big, small inside, wick down. And then look at where it hit. It hit the dotted line because I was expecting it to at least hit the 10 pip mark. That's true, Hassan. Thank you for that. Dang, Krish, that was a good move, Krish. I'm hoping you got in. I hope you got in. Let's see, high 36,300. Oh, it almost cracked out 300. Oh, it almost cracked the high. Technically, it, dang. Let me see. I'm gonna check on my broker real quick. Let's hope gold plays another sell now after sweeping some liquidity. Yep, that could be the move back up now. That was the move. That was the move back up. That was the move because it created a support, and then this is the wick that lowered up to come back up. That was the move right there, back at that point. Damn it, I'm 2 seconds too late. I just noticed it right now. It took me a second to hit me, but hey, what up, Michael? I think it will go to 1934 before going up. Well, technically, this is the same trade we took earlier today with Wix. I don't know if you guys remember, but this was the same exact trade. Perfectly. And that would have been the good little 10 pip move at least. And it's probably going to come up to this resistance. So that was, dang, I know I missed that one. That was my fault. I missed that one. Oh my goodness, that's the one I missed right there. And it shows it right there perfectly. Shows it right there perfectly. You got the 13 pipped in? No, I didn't, champ. I didn't. I missed that one. I missed that one. Oh, I got the 13 pips earlier with Wix though, if that's what you're asking. Or it's like 12 pips, I guess, but yeah, I hit the one with Wix. Let's see, champ. It was my fault. Sorry. It's all good, brother. It's all good. I'm here to help. You see that though? Look at that move right there. That's the same move that we took earlier with Wix, guys. If you guys were here with Wix earlier, that was the exact same move we took. I think this was it right here. This was it found support, and then the previous candle broke below to go up. Boom, that was it. And we closed for like 15 pips or so. Just a 3-piece in 5 minute, which worked. Level up. When did you take that 3-piece? Was it earlier with Wix or just right now, a little while ago? Champ, I was sleeping when Wix was live. Oh, yeah, no worries. Right now, bro. Dang. Hey, level up. Did you take the little 3-piece going down? Is that which one you took? Going down or going up? I'm actually gonna post. We are live. We are live on YouTube. We are live on YouTube. Let's go. And then I need to post on the Discord so that way everybody can see under announcements. You know what I mean? Everyone, we are live. We are live. Let me grab this link. I'm just trying to find the link for this stream real fast. And I appreciate you guys all for liking and subscribing. If you guys wouldn't mind doing that for me, that would really help out. Right now at buy, 10 pips secured, casual 10 pip lovers. That's what I'm talking about. 10 pips will keep you fed and keep you blessed. That's all you need, brother. Just do it 10 times. You got 100. Typically, day after Monday holiday gives heavy volume. Yeah, that makes sense. That would explain what's kind of going on right now. But yeah, level up. You 10 pips at the buy. Did you do the buy right here? Right here, pretty much at the bottom wick, going up like that? That's good work though, brother. Man, you guys are killing it, man. It seems like you guys catch better trades than me. But nah, that's what I want, man. I want you guys to kill it out here. We're all gonna kill it. And then eventually, like I said, we all share ideas. We all get better. All right, let me post in this Discord. All right, we good now. Level up. Let's see. Oh yeah, we went live. We just went live. Oh, I see level up. You just sent that earlier. I just seen it in Discord right now. Buys above, fake out ranging zone, sells below. It's a good idea. 3-piece at buy on this move. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, kill him. Killing it, man. Killing it. I like that. Alrighty, champ. Prayer is working for me right now. I know we just did a prayer for you right now in the chat. What's up, August? Would like to form a double bottom. It's possible. You would definitely have to possibly something like that maybe. But if that's the case, it broke the neckline. Our next area will be up here. That was a good move though. If you're able to catch it from there all the way to the top, about 15 pips is where it was at. Use this. Automatically share your Discord and IG links on live chat for joining. Oh, nice. Nightbot is a chatbot for Twitch, YouTube, and automate your. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to install this chatbot for you guys. That way you guys could share the links a lot easier. I'm a casual DD lover at this point. champ, as long as you are able to stay composed and don't get all antsy and you don't get scared or anything like that, stay confident, you'll be good. Look at that move, y'all. Boom. Look at that move. Oh my gosh. I got bronchitis. Oh my god. Look at that move, y'all. That's what I like to see. I like to see them pips. Big pimp, big pippin. Oh damn, look at that whole section got cleared. Damn. That's the thing. DD still pisses me off. Bro, add one entry buy. No, not yet. Or did you do that? I would have if I would have gotten in at the point down here at the bottom. This would have been my entry right there. That would have been the entry. If you didn't get here, you're already too late. Big Papa Pimpin. That's a hard word to say back to back. We just got new people that joined the server. The bill collector. Appreciate it, y'all. Appreciate it. We are on stream though, if you guys was wondering. And I appreciate you guys for liking and subscribing. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, it would really help out. Get this video out to more people. You know, we get this session going. Get this session popping. 21 people watching right now. I appreciate all you guys. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like, do it as fast as you can, as many times as you can. Brrr, hit it 100 million times. Drop the link. What link, champ? The 3P is exclusive to 5-minute time frame. No, 93 octane. It actually works, I believe, on all time frames. My guy that was back testing it for me, he was doing it on a simulator. He actually simulated it on the 15-minute, and he had a 95% return. So, I would assume the higher the time frame it happens, the better the outcome, or the more confirmation it is. But I've also seen it, like, I'm starting to see it so many different ways. That's the thing, is that you have to see how they all play out. I can't link it in here because I don't have the link, but it's in the description. If you look at the video description on my live, you should see it right there. It's also, my Instagram is in there too. Yeah, like that. Let's see. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked and if you guys haven't followed yet, follow me on my Instagram. And if you guys need the Discord link, I'll send it to you after you guys follow. Just give me a message and I'll send it to you guys. But yeah, or it's in the YouTube description box, so you could click that also. It's a lot easier to do it that way. But if you guys want to know when I'm live and stuff, follow me on Instagram. That way when I post, you guys know. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. We did take a trade earlier today, which is also, I mean, I'm willing to take a trade, but I need to be able to call it out, like how we were kind of calling this one out. It was perfect area to be calling it out. This is where we should have taken that trade. But like I said, if you didn't take it there, you're already too late. Bro, my TP is 1338. It's right. 13. Discord link description below. You can click it right there. Perfect. Thank you, George. Appreciate that. Bro, my TP is 38. It's right. I don't know, bro. The thing is, you need to also, before you get into a trade, Hassan, one thing you have to remember is you need to understand where you're going to get out, where you're going to bring your stop losses to break even. All of these things need to be already planned out before you get into a trade. But look at what's happening. It is going up, but like I said, you can't do it off of luck. You know, you have to understand what you're doing, so that way you can do it over and over and over again. But yeah, this is an area of where, if we don't get above here, this is where we could be getting rejected at, which is around these areas. So what I would suggest is not financial advice, but just remember, this is just how I would manage it, is that I would start managing it now, bringing my stop losses to break even, you know, bringing your stop loss to at least probably here or even this line or something, because you need to make sure you secure your pips, because you're saying you're on a funded account. Make sure you secure a little bit of it. You'd rather have 2 pips than 0 pips. Watch 1938.25. What up, Caleb? 1925. 38.25. Oh yeah, I'm right there. I think I need more prayers, champ. Let's see what you let's see. Oh, I did it. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, sorry. 93 octane. Respect to your discipline, bitmesone. That's going to take you to the promised land. Hey man, appreciate that. I appreciate that, octane. Yeah, and that's the one thing, is that what I've been learning. I think Wix was saying it today on his stream, was pretty much just saying, once you get tired of doing something over and over, you'll finally change, you know. So every time I would lose a trade, it wasn't because of the strategy, it was just the discipline. Either I'm FOMOing in, or I'm just getting out when it's in a little bit of drawdown, or it was just something that had nothing to do with the strategy. So like how Wix was saying, is that once you get tired of doing it over and over, you'll make a change. And I finally got tired of losing, and then it finally hit me that I'm losing just because of my discipline. So that's why now it's important, you know, you got to stay disciplined. I mean, if you get into the trade and you perfect and you call it, that's one thing. But you know, if you get into a trade just randomly, it's not gonna last. You need to have a plan. Champ, disciplined on this praying strat right now. Come on, hit me. Oh my god, look at this move, y'all. I mean, like I said, this is part of your plan, stick to it, but like I said, be careful. Make sure you guys are securing your profits. And I mean, we'll definitely be looking for a possible move, you know, maybe somewhere around here in these areas. So if this candle possibly comes up here in the next few candles, we could be taking something possibly back down. So just watch out for that. Keep that in mind. Champ, yeah, always secure some profits. Exactly, bro. No reason in, you know, not securing it just because, oh, it's not 100 pips, I don't want it. You know, there's no point of thinking like that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Also, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, hit that like and subscribe button for me. Definitely appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll answer to the best of my ability. So just leave a comment if you guys have any questions on anything and we'll explain it. It's not 1,000 pips, I ain't want it. Exactly, champ. You know what I mean? You know, we can't be ungrateful. If we see 1 pip, I want it. If I see 1,000 pips, I want it. I want both of them. Do you think gold will go back to 1952? Let's see. 1952. Yeah, I think so eventually. I mean, I don't know how soon. Let's see. I mean, the thing is about gold is that when it comes down, it usually tests back the top. So it's just a matter of time, obviously, but you know, you don't want to bet on it right now. I mean, a long-term thing probably, but it might take a while. Let's see. Only thing that I'm not sure about and is I don't know price action of GJ that well. Well, champ, one way to learn is just to stare at it, you know, set up your chart, stare at it for a while and just, you know, see what happens. Try to figure out what's what, see if you see any 3 pieces, see how they work out. Yeah, 93 octane. Average true range really helps out, puts things into perspective. If the average range throughout the entire session is only 30-40 pips, you can't ask for more. That is true. That is true. And that's what Don always says, is you take what the market gives you. The market doesn't know you're trading. It doesn't know anything about you. So there's no reason for it to, no reason for you to try to milk something that the market's not going to give you anyways. It went to 1952 during news. Yeah, exactly. So music, the one thing about that is that when things happen like that, it usually takes something important, like a big catalyst, which is like the news itself. The news is what drove it, So like I said, when we get news again, that could be the time we might be reversing or doing something, because it broke 1935. That's it. It will go all the way down to 1910 or 1900. That is true. Gaming or champ. That's why I took the trade out. I don't take the trade I don't learn. Exactly. Yo, what up, Andy? What up, folks? How you doing? Yeah, champ. As long as you're learning from your losses, the losses are worth it. But if you're not learning, then you're just gambling at that point. Can you go to the 4-hour time frame, draw the trend line, and tell us what you think? Yeah, I could do that for you. How do you draw what kind of like pattern do you draw it on? Are you talking about something like this? So look, we got these lines right there, and then we got this line right there protecting that one, and then that one protecting that one. As you can see, kind of like that music. Is that what you're talking about? The trend line starts at 1885. Yeah, okay, I think I got what you're talking about. Can you go to the full? Okay, yeah. Spanish PMI on deck. What does that mean, Octane? What is PMI? Champ, I definitely need a side chick. I heard this one saying. They say, don't let your girlfriend distract you from finding your wife. I did. Andy. I was listening to this one guy that is trading for about 15 years. He said gold is a B word, and he only trades it on the 5-minute chart because of news and stuff like that. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. We trade mostly on the 5-minute chart also, so I think we have the same idea maybe. But yeah, as a trend line, if you notice, this is respecting it. But the thing is, it would be as if this candle were to break or technically close out underneath it. Because what will probably could happen is this, and then we retest it. And then it could go down. But I don't really use trend lines. And so, I mean, I don't really... It's not that I don't believe in them, but it's just... I don't really trade them. But yeah, that could be true, Andy. Champ, and GJ kind of looks hot to me right now. It looks so hot. Music, just the normal trend lines. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yesterday I hit 4% on that sell when you went off. Oh, Andy, you went into a sell yesterday after stream? Congrats on that 4%. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, exactly. So what do you think? Music. So what I kind of thought about it is that we are at the support. So the next move will be happening. The next move will be happening. It's very shortly. Like I said, it only has 2 ways of going, but now it's at decision area. It's at a decision area. What tool is that? Channel trend? Well, Octane, that was just trend lines. I just trend lined it on the 4-hour. I use these trend lines right here. Yeah, he said it's the Bart Simpson next. This is what he means by Bart Simpson. You guys ever heard of the Bart Simpson? They don't look like Bart Simpson, but you guys get it. That's funny though. GTA. I went into a short 1 to 3, buy at 36. Nice, brother. Good job. Got it. Thank you. Well, because I swing trade mostly. Okay, Myers. So, or music. So you said you swing trade. So are you looking for a buy or sell right now? Or like, is your bias? Because like they say is you don't buy at a support. So technically we're at a support. So you wouldn't buy. And, you know, so technically we're not, I mean, you wouldn't sell at support, sorry, because we're at support technically, but that's if it breaks support. So you're going to have to wait till it breaks first. GTA, about 15 minutes before you ended, I opened the trade since I'm from Slovenia. So I trade London and then went on YouTube and found your stream for the first time today. I'm back. Dang. I appreciate that, Andy. Thank you for you know, coming back and being a repeat viewer. I appreciate you guys very much for doing that. Let me get back to this chart for a second, make sure there's nothing's happening. Prayers, champ, prayers are still holding the daily from flipping bearer. Let's hope. Looking for a sell actually, but I am waiting for a breakout. Yes, exactly. You don't want to take a sell just because of that. Just because you know we're at the bottom, because you could always keep going back up. So wait for a break and maybe even a possible retest or something, and like I said, whatever is your confirmation for you to get into a trade, make sure you see that. All right, so I'm waiting for the break. Okay, 93 octane bouncing off the ceiling. Exactly, bouncing off the ceiling. Alpha Charlie, I'm newbie in the market and I just lost $190 in GBP USD. God damn. GBP USD 190. So I'm guessing you decided to take the trade going up because it did the opposite. So Alpha Charlie, so since you're a new trader, this is some of the questions you're gonna have to ask yourself if you don't want to have to lose that money like that again. Is your strategy profitable yet? Is your strategy consistent? Do you have back testing on it? Do you have confirmations that will give you, you know, the confirmations you need to take the trade? And what I would suggest is maybe take a little bit of time off of trading real money and paper trade. So use the prop money just a little for fun, just to practice. But you have to take that serious too, because how I used to do it is I couldn't trade real money until I was good enough on paper trading. You know, it's like you gotta like challenge yourself in a sense, pretty much. Alpha, I'm practicing on the demo for the past 2 years and still don't feel good enough to invest 3 to 5K, even I'm mostly profitable. That is true. It's still hard. That's the thing. You know, real money is a lot different than play money, but Like I said, if you can't do it with play money, then you can't do it with real money. For practicing the demo, but yeah. So the last 3 months has opened up. Well, that's very good. I'm glad you that is, you know what's funny about that is I could say in the last few months something opened up for me also. I was able to read the charts a lot better. I woke up one day and I could read the charts. Demo is king if you want to become a master with minimal losses when you put in real money. Exactly. The thing is the reason why I don't think people like the demo trading has, oh, there's no emotions, well, there shouldn't be no emotions to begin with. Like Don Vo always says, don't trade with emotion. So you trying to trade with real emotion, that's not, I don't know, it's kind of counterintuitive, I think. But like I said, it's about working on your strategy. That's why I say too, you have to be disciplined. You can't just take random trades and expect to be profitable. You have to have a setup. Like look, let me show you guys the background of my computer. Look at the background. You see all of these different plays? These are all plays in a playbook. So I probably won't take a trade unless it's something to do with this playbook. So like I said, if you're just taking random trades, that's kind of why, you know, it doesn't happen. The consistency doesn't happen because you're not taking the same consistency, doing the same thing over and over. But yeah, Project Baby, what up? Came back. But then again, I feel like sometimes you need to put in a personal account so you can really feel a loss of losing on a demo. You can just brush it off and you won't realize much. I understand what you're saying, Project, but I tried that and I was like, the thing is though, is when you lose real money, this is with me personally, I would lose a little bit of confidence. Yeah, it's definitely a mental thing. So that's kind of why I mean that it's just, even when you're on a demo trade, you have to be honest with yourself. You know, it's like you can't put a crazy stop loss when in reality, if you were using real money, you wouldn't use a crazy stop loss. You know, you would use a reasonable. So it's just things like that. You just have to be honest with yourself. Don't try to cheat yourself. And like I said, don't take the easy way. Just because like even when I first started trading with demo, I was losing and I was like, what the heck? But then I finally got the hang of it. And then I was able to, like I said, it's not so much about how much money you're making, because it's not real money anyways. It's just about working on your strategy, you know, seeing, like, that's why I say if you have a playbook, you need to be using demo money so you could be playing out your playbook so you can see if it works or not, you know, and things like that. So I mean, I understand the emotional part of it, but like but the one thing I do think about is too is that you shouldn't be emotional anyways. You should be able to trade like it's a demo account because you're so confident in your trading that it feels like a demo account, you know. But I do understand both sides of them. But like I said, I just think the reason why people can't do it without real money is the fact that they're just not like disciplined, and they're not like honest with themselves. You know, you got to be honest. Take the trades you would take with real money, all that stuff. A mental thing. Yeah, Caleb, look at 5 minutes. Sorry, I've been over here chopping it up, talking too much. Look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute. Ooh. Well, I mean, if anything, if this candle wicks above here and it breaks these highs, then yeah, I will definitely take that trade. It's looking like it. You smoking now? Mine kinda. Sorry that worded so weird. Yeah, no worries. Now I feel you. I know what you meant. Project Baby. I know what you meant. Champ, nah, man, I gotta sit here and pray now. What do you mean, no emotions? See, that's the thing. You shouldn't be emotional. You should just accept your trade that you took. That's one thing too. I think when you get emotional is you're not accepting it. You remember you got into the trade for a reason. And that's why I say if you don't have the reason, then it's just gambling at that point. But if you know I got in because of this top wick broke this previous top wick and it's right at resistance and this is where I got in, you have a plan, you know. Kato, exhausted from work, watching this is energy. Hey brother, thank you for saying that, because I actually worked 12 hours today also, and this is my second stream of the day, so we grinding, brother, we grinding. I love it. I love it. Dang, I got some things stuck in my throat. All this talking, but yeah, man, I love it. Yeah, Kato, I appreciate you for joining us, man. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to give us a dang. Hey, Caleb, that's what you was talking about, Caleb. You know what you're talking about. So, what happened here? Was it this guy? Wow, perfect, Caleb. That was nice. That was my fault. I'm over here chit chatting. Dang, 15 pip move, nice. Yeah, appreciate that. Mind, August. I need to change my background too now. Yeah, what do you have? What do you have as your background right now? The reason why I have that as my background, even though I already memorized it, but it's because I've had it there for already like 6 months. So, but the reason why is every time I turn my computer on or I look, it just prints in my head. It just prints, so I could see it. I could close my eyes and I could pretty much explain exactly what the chart looks like. But it's just because I've seen it so much, so it's pretty much imprinted in my head, and that's a good way of just memorizing it, just looking at it all the time and just figuring it out. But yeah, project, exactly in the beginning of your journey, it shouldn't matter how much money you make. Exactly, that's one of the important things, project, is that it doesn't matter how much money you make in the beginning. It's about the strategy, because if your strategy sucks, then it don't matter how much money you use. Look at where it turned around. Remember where I said to watch? You did exactly say that. You did exactly say that, and that's my fault. I missed that. I should have been waiting for that. Did you take that, Caleb, by chance? Gotta detest them highs for, oh yeah, gotta retest them highs. GTA Andy, treated like a robot. Exactly. I was kidding, man, and went on to explain it. Oh, I know, my bad, bro. My bad. I be getting into it too much. And react, don't predict. Exactly. React, don't predict. I saw a bit up, push up, made a quick 10 scalp. Now we wait for a retest. Nice. If you're really trading with the strat, make sure you mark up all your losses and go back and ask yourself, how did I lose this trade? What did I do wrong? Exactly. That's a good way of keeping track of keeping accountability. Yo, what up, Ethan? One great challenge once you get a grasp is 1% per day. That is a good idea. Caleb, I did, and I am in it, holding till 35, which is Asian session low. Dang, man. You're already, let's see how many pips you are. You're already up 16 pips. That's crazy. Hey, Caleb, so I'm wondering, how'd you get that dang, that was my fault. I missed that totally. I airballed that one. How'd you get that? How'd you know about that number? Was it because of the support right here? You know what I mean? Like what was it that gave you that indication? Supply zone on the 15-minute. So it would be this green candle. Okay, would it be like this then maybe? Would that be the supply zone? Ethan, you heard about the My Forex Fund scandal? Yeah, I heard about that, bro. Where is it at? FT. Oh yeah, look, Ethan. I was actually looking into it to try to like maybe start one up, and I kind of didn't pull the trigger yet, and that's what happened. I'm glad I didn't pull the trigger though. Yes, sir. Those two green candles on the 5-minute. Yes, exactly. So okay, that's how I. So look, guys, this is what Caleb. Man, this guy's a genius, man. He knows his stuff. What he did was he knew he found this supply area, and when it was starting to come up, he called it around somewhere probably down here, saying it was going to go up to this box. And if you notice, that's the exact rejection. Once we hit that line, boom. Where did we go? Beautiful, 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 Caleb. And it's going down to 35, exactly like he was talking about. That's crazy. Good work, Caleb. I missed that one. Man, I'm gonna need you to jump on stream with me, bro. Not obviously not right now, but soon enough when we get there. But yeah, man, I like your style. Project Baby for sure, Andy. A Nick Euro USD potential sell. The sell was on gold. If anybody would have taken that sell with Caleb, they will be killing it right now. 21 pips already, bro. Wow, Caleb, you read the charts like a book, I could tell you. When did you sell, Caleb? Project Baby, he took the sell up here at this green wick into the supply zone. As you can see how this wicked up into this blue box, that's where his supply zone was at, and that's where he took his trade at, which is insane. Brother kills it with those trades, just like that. I'm getting geared up to join you. I'm excited. Yeah, brother. No worries, no worries. All in time. You know, we're gonna take our time. We're not gonna rush nothing. We're gonna make sure it's all good and going. But yeah, like I got some exciting stuff planned for us, man. We're just gonna keep expanding, and we're gonna keep providing value, showing everybody how it's done, staying disciplined, all that good stuff. Champ. I'm gonna give you a nice long explanation about those 3 emojis. Yeah, appreciate you, champ. Appreciate you for joining the Discord, champ. I just seen it right now. Mind August. True, if Euro USD dropping but gold growing. Well, true, if USD dropping but gold growing. Gold is technically going down right now, but I'm not sure if those like correlate with each other or not. I'm not too sure. Damn beast, Caleb. Look at that one. Look at that, man. That's a nice move right there. That was my fault. I missed that one. He told me I read it. Oh my goodness. I need to lock in better. See, this is all learning for me too. This is all learning curves for me. I'm trying to become a better streamer. I gotta fail some things so I could get better. Well done. Sniper entry. Asian and London session respects structure. New York will whipsaw you in the face and kick you in kick you in the butt on the way down. That is true. I just got a pineapple. All right, champ. Just got a pineapple. Let's hope it's at a key level, so that way we know, that's where we could be bouncing at. Champ, my freaking broker is eating 2 pips off me. Damn. Sorry to hear that, man. Be careful, be careful. More like 3. What's your bias today? To be honest, I'm willing to take a buy or a sell today, but it's just gonna depend on what happens in the market. But what I usually do though to find a bias, what I'm really looking for is I'll go to the daily and I'll see the previous candle. So the previous candle is bearish already. The 4 hour is also green, so it's a little bit bullish. And where did that close? The previous one closed respecting this zone up here. So at any point this could turn back around to come back in there. But if you guys were in the Discord, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, there's a link in the description to join the Discord. But if you guys notice in the Discord, I was mentioning a 3-piece on the daily, which is right here, and then it wicked up and it came down. So that's why these possibly are the reason why these are coming down. But yeah, like I said, that was maybe a good indicator to let you know what could be going on. Michael, the 1 hour and 30-minute support zones are 1934.5, and I'm waiting to see a reaction. Let's see. On the 1 hour and 30-minute, 1 hour, the support zone are 34.5. Something like that, maybe. Gold will likely break. In what direction? That is true. What direction? Well, this is one thing that I do. This is like this is what I've back tested and found out myself. Okay, when a fake out happens, it usually happens. That's why I call it a fake out, because it's in the opposite direction, right? So that means we were gonna go up. But look at where the fake out happened now. So this fake out pretty much faked us out to give us another fake out to come back down. So like I said, this is the most recent fake out, and that could be the fake out up, so that way we come down. Because it's liquidity, right? So in order for us to come down, we need liquidity. So that could be why. How I see it is it has been going up for some time, and nothing lasts forever. While most people might think one thing, I think for myself it looks like it finished the lower high on a higher time frame. That's a good observation, Andy. That's a good way of putting it. Michael, on my chart, that's what I am seeing. Maybe I can be mistaken. Yeah, no, that is right. Because I have this indicator right here. Look at the indicator, shows me exactly where the supplies and demand zone are. Exactly where you said this box, right? And this is where the demand zone is at. Yeah, this indicator is pretty sick. I like it. Five minute. Uh-oh. You guys know what that means, right? Good eye, Krish, good eye. Hey, how's it going? Go it is Stone. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Hi, just joined. What is the time frame you're using? I'm on the 5 minute time frame right now. Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute time frame right now. Three-piece project, baby. Yep, I went to Pete for 2 minutes and missed my break even with the pineapple. Wow, champ, ain't that something, huh? That was your chance to get out too, pineapple. I mean, it is what it is, but you don't want to lose money. Guys, if it breaks this low and it comes back up, I might just take a three-piece, possibly going up. But it has to break. Oh, that's the move, I believe. That's the same move like Wix took earlier today. Wow. I like the confirmation of it actually breaking the low and then going up. So if it could break that low right here, that would be awesome. That is what I'm waiting for, though. I'm waiting for that to break. 3 green candles and a strong rejection, 50% or more is down probably. Hee hee. That's like Michael Jackson. Hee hee. By the way, check out USDB. Alright, please explain 3 piece in short. Alright, it's 3 pieces. I could explain it right here. If you look at these candles right here, look. Wait, hold on. Let me see if this candle breaks first. I got 45 seconds. $45 seconds. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think it's gonna do it. I don't think it's gonna do it. But y'all, Navin, I'll explain it right now. Wait for this candle to close, and I'm gonna see right now. See how it closes. Uh-oh, let's see. It needs to touch that low. Is it gonna do it? Oh, it didn't do it. Hey, what's up, John? Wow. There it is. That's the move, huh? 10 pips is way up here, so it's gonna have to go at least up here. Let me get some of these comments real quick. By the way, checking it's going up. The 4 hour resistance tube might get some pips there. 3 green candles and a strong rejection. Yeah. John Vincent Munoz. For sales, I want to see price making its way below 1935 996. That's a good area because 1935 is where Caleb was looking for it to take profits at, so he'll probably be taking his profits around that area, which would mean people are going to start buying. But rejection candles keep testing the same level. Something's got to give. Exactly. For buys, break above 39.01 with a 30-minute closure and a bottom wick has formed. High probability price push it back to 42. There are levels from breakouts. Yeah. Damn, look at that guy right there. That was the move right there. We weren't waiting for it, but it was like this candle. We were expecting this red candle to break this low. All we needed was that, and it almost did it. That was our confirmation right there. That would have been only 7 pips though. So it needs to go 10. Jonathan, where's your closure level? Closure level for what? What do you mean? Like, what am I expecting this to close at? Or, well, you know, we had the trade from there down. Well, not me, but that would have been the trade right there. Yeah, like the stream, y'all. Appreciate you guys. If you guys don't mind liking this stream for me, hit that like, hit that double tap as fast as you can, whatever you gotta do, and then also subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah, we got 48 people watching right now. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We only got 35 likes though. If you guys hit to 100 likes, I will stay on stream a lot longer. 3-piece candle, we take the trade. How much pips will we get profit, Navin? Well, it just depends on where you take the trade at. For one, it definitely depends on where you take the trade at. Like let's say you take the trade, there's a 3-piece possibly up here. Look at all of it that you could have taken. There's a 3-piece right here. Look at all of it that you could have taken. So it just depends on what the market gives you. Because like I said, let's say you take a 3-piece right here, but the 3-piece is supposed to go up, clear the candle just to come down. That would be what your, oh, look at this move right here. Like I said, if you're expecting a candle to come down, we're already at the bottom of the range. So this is why, you know, right here, it could only go so far before pushing back up. Just that range right there was important. That's all. Where'd you go? 3P. It all depends. Yes, it depends. Market values your pairs. Did you get closer to your take profit? Let's see. Oh. Dang. Champ, market values your pairs. Yep, they do. Oh. No. Ooh. There's the move right there. Champ, that B opportunity was it. Yeah, that break even. Yeah, now third pineapple in order. Oh my God, champ. This is why you have to manage. If the daily candle was flipped, so does it mean daily bias is bearish? If the daily candle was flipped, well, the way I look at it is that the previous candle, because that's the one that already closed. So technically, the open candle could do whatever it wants. So you go by the previous candle, which is red. If that's your question, I'm not sure if that's your question or not, but champ, what a man can't even pee in peace here. I know, right? You can't because you were in a trade. You have to sacrifice your whole life. No, I'm just kidding. Have you been in since Asian EM? No, I actually took a little break for a few hours, and then I came back. But we barely locked in probably about midnight, so about 11:30 to midnight. Or 11:30 to 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock right now. It's 12:52 exactly, so almost 1. On my chart, we're ranging in an order block zone from August 29th. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate this information though. Like I said, I read it all with an open mind. I don't try to think I'm smarter than anybody. I just strictly I listen. Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching and stuff like that. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button, hitting that like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. We got 47 people watching. If you guys got any questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll talk about it. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any kind of questions. Andy, don't panic, it's organic. Exactly. Are you from the West Coast, Andy? P Bucket is crazy. That's insane, dog. Nah, but Tupac was always my type of dude. That's real. Nah, I said that because I do, I heard somebody say that and he's from the West Coast. Can't understand a three-piece. I mean, what's the criteria? Navin, listen closely, alright? It's your special day. I'm gonna give you a one-on-one explanation right now. And when I'm done, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so get ready. Get ready. All right, Navin, listen up. All right, so look, this is how we started. You don't know when this is going to happen. This is why you have to be watching for price action. You have to be waiting for it to happen. But what's going to happen is, look, there's going to be a big candle here, right? Then the second candle, this is why we call it a three-piece. Because look, there's one, there's two, and then on the third candle is our entry. So look, the second candle can't break the high or the low of the first candle. Can't break that and it can't break that. So as you can see, it's inside of it. All right, and now the third candle is the one that we take. So let's say we're at the bottom of a range. We just came down, we're at the bottom of a range. We might, I mean, not saying you can't, but this is when you want to be watching out for certain things to happen, because if it were to wick up, on the way down is your trade. So your entry would be the top wick, if that makes sense. And also the same thing if it was going up. So let's say this candle, third candle opens, when it breaks the low of the first candle, and then on the way up is where you take your trade. Your entry is this part right here. So let me point out a few examples on the live chart just to see if it might play out or something. Let's go to the 5 minute. All right. Actually, there was one right here. Well, it didn't happen, but this is a good explanation. Look, this is kind of what I mean right here. Look. You see how this big red candle is there? The big red candle, right? Then it would be this second candle that stayed inside of the red candle. But if you notice, this third candle would have needed to go below, and then on its way up, you would have taken that trade. Hey, Project Baby, I tried to explain it to him, but he wasn't really hearing it. So it's okay, because like I said, he listens to what he knows what he's doing. So I don't blame him for listening to little old me, who's still trying to perfect it, But what I'm gonna do though is build this community so good and so kick ass that it's gonna be hard to not notice. And then eventually, like I said, I want to show him, not by telling him, I want to show him by putting in the work, and actually proving it. So that's my goal, is just to be able to prove it to him that it works, and then he's gonna be like, man, props. That's props. But yeah, Navin, hopefully that made a little bit of sense. But like I said, it's invalid. The trade that you're talking, or like the entry would be invalid if the second candle goes higher than the first candle. So once this candle breaks the high or the low, it's invalid. You don't want that one. So what you're gonna want is the one that stays inside of it. And then, like I said, the third candle has to go below and then up, or above and then down. But like I said, your entry is always the wick of the first candle, depending on which way you go. Let me know if that made any kind of sense. If you guys kind of hear me, let me know if you guys picked up on any of that. Hell yeah, bro. Show yourself, then show us. Feel me? Do it for you. That's exactly right, Project Baby. That's what I'm gonna do. I gotta do it for myself. You know, I can't help you guys until I help myself. So once I get this really going and rocking and rolling, it's just a matter of time, y'all. Just a matter of time. Can you explain the celery play? Yeah, if you let me explain the celery. It also depends on where you are in the market, okay? Look at this, is a good area right here. Look, let me put a line right here. Let's say like a resistance right here. This dotted line is resistance, right? Or support, sorry. This dotted line is support. Let me make it yellow so you guys can see it too. So look, this dotted line is support, right? This red candle broke underneath. Then the second candle created a support underneath the resistance. And then the third candle is the one that runs down. So if you guys look on the chart right here at the top right, this is the trade that's a celery. If you notice, the first candle comes underneath the zone, which is this line across. That's the support or resistance right there. And then the second candle closes underneath it. And then the third candle is the one that runs. Yeah, so that's a celery play right there. So like I said, that's how you don't get into bad trades, because you know what you're looking for, you know what you're waiting for. If you're taking trades that you don't even know what you're waiting for, then that explains why you're not having the success you think you should be having. Yes, Navin, good. I'm glad. When the third candle breaks, then immediately we can put the trade. Yes. So like I'm saying, because what I've been doing is, a lot of times you're not gonna have enough time to put a stop limit order or whatever. So I just been doing market orders, but until I could perfect it and I could get to that point, maybe I might use a limit order, stop limit or something. But yeah, like I said, the first candle would be the wick, right? Your entry would be the first candle wick, either the top or bottom. So if we go up and come down, your entry is this top wick. You know, if your top wick is way up here, your entry would be way up there. So that's the one thing is, you know, you gotta you definitely need a top wick or bottom wick, depending on which way it goes, if that makes sense. Is it possible the gold will drill this week or start today? Looks like it's going in that direction. Definitely could. If you guys notice, we do have a big drop off right here. I'm actually gonna put this pop right there. If we clear this line, there's a big giant run all the way down to this area, 1915 area. So just imagine if we break this little area, there's a run all the way down. Here comes the retest on Octane. What you mean on which pair? And this did break underneath that zone. Look at it, broke underneath, right? It wants to break. Here comes the retest. Yep. It's been testing. And Navin, I'm not sure if you are familiar with the Discord I've been explaining, but if you guys want to join our Discord, check the description. The description has the link to our Discord, so you guys could join our Discord and learn about the 3-piece and how everybody else that understands it could explain it too. And if you guys haven't followed my Instagram yet, make sure you guys follow the Instagram. This is where I usually post to let us know that, you know, I'm either streaming or, you know, or anything that's kind of important. You guys can message me on there too if you guys need to get a hold of me. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Oh, this is GPY. Holy smokes, bro. I really hope you're okay in that trade. Yeah, this is breaking. Look at that. This is the exact move right there you would have wanted. Let's see, 10 pips is down here. It's been testing it many times so strong. Project baby, my name is Nick. I'm from California. I forgot where'd you say you were from, Project baby, and what was your name? I'm pretty sure you added me on Instagram, right? But I don't know if your name is the same as Project Baby T Roy or whatnot. But okay, bro, could you just link your playbook setups, Ali? While this, are you talking about this right here? This right here, if you guys want that, you guys have to download it from a website, and I'll give you guys the website if you want it. If you guys go to controllerfx.com, just like this, controllerfx.com, type it in up here, press search, and then go to right here to resources, and then you have to sign up. It's for free. You sign up for free, just use your email, and then you get the complete playbook, volume 1 controller playbook right here. That's what you're gonna want. So you could download that and get all that good stuff. So yeah, that's how you're gonna have to do it, because I can't send no pictures on live stream or anything like that. I just typed it in the comments too, that way you guys, hopefully it shows up. Oh yeah, you're Santa Barbara, I remember. Yeah, I'm not too far from Santa Barbara. My name Willie, for sure, Willie. I'll try to remember that, but I'll probably, the thing is because I'm gonna see you as I'm gonna be seeing you mostly probably in the chat a lot, but unless your name is Willie or Project Baby, I'll probably remember you as Project Baby, to be just to be honest, just because, like I said, I'm gonna see it so much, I'm gonna eventually get used to it. But just in case I forget, you know, it's nothing, I don't mean it. All Out 1934 beast. Good job, Caleb. That's what I'm talking about. He took a trade from up here, sniper entry, 35 pips. All right, man. All right, Caleb, you asked for it. You asked for it. Here we go, y'all. Here's Caleb. Here's Caleb, y'all. Here's Caleb. Any second now. Here's Caleb. There's Caleb, y'all. There he is. Thanks, mate. Yep, you're welcome. Up 1% already. Well done. Good job. Look at that. Caleb took the sniper entry and he called it. He told me exactly the price. Yep, Caleb did that right here. He took a sniper entry. He called it in the chat. He told me, I read the message, and it was my fault that I missed it. That's my fault. He tried to help us out. He tried to help me out, and I didn't take it. That's my fault. But yeah, Caleb is a beast. He knows his stuff for sure. Congrats, mate. Nice snipe. Yeah, man, that was a good job, Caleb. Good job. Caleb did that. Yup, he did, man. He killed it on that one. I closed the buy where you entered. Nice. Oh, Andy, so you took the buy from here up to there. Nice. Where did you get in at? If you deserve a sniper, I'll give you a sniper, guy. Strong zone now, yeah. Tarek, how you doing, Tarek? He better be closing now. I know. He said he closed at 1934, which is pretty much this line right here, which was his target. He called it perfectly, man. That was beautiful. Channel needs some soundboard drops. Let's get it hype. I know, Octane. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Actually, because tomorrow, I'm actually gonna be trying to stream tomorrow, guys. If you guys are watching and listening, I'm gonna try to stream as much as I can tomorrow. So make sure you guys join up and let's get this popping. But yeah, 93 Octane. I'm gonna try to get some soundboard features eventually. Try to do a few things. Take a look on a bigger time. Yes. But yeah, I definitely plan on getting those soundboards and stuff. That'll be nice, Caleb. Or I mean, that'll be nice, Octane. I took a sell from 35.8 and closed 10 pips. Attaboy, good job, Tarek. You said 35.8 right here, and you closed 10 pips. There it is. That's all you need. 1936.49. Good job. Good patience, Caleb. Yeah, Caleb got balls of steel, man. That's like the third time I seen him hold from sniper entry all the way to dang near the top. And earlier bought from 1935, closed 20 pips. And dang, Tarek, I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, but that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, good job, Caleb. No worries. I'll be here. Just hit me up whenever. Gotta take my daughter to school early, but I bet this thing rocks down to 31-ish today during NY. Keep your eyes out. Nice. Y'all remember that. Caleb is calling a 1931 area we could be testing. That green candle was moving funny. Yeah, it was. Look at that. 1 hour. The 1 hour don't got a top wick though. Or it does got a top wick. Have a good sleep, Caleb. Yep, exactly, man. You deserve it. You earned it. Night. Good night, man. That's what them pips do. Them pips put you to bed. The sooner you catch your pips, the sooner you get to go to sleep. That was nice. I appreciate you guys for subbing. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe. Bro, is there any buy chance in gold for now? We're right here at a zone right now, which is important. So yeah, we're gonna wait for these next few candles to close, and we're gonna see what happens. But Caleb just said right now we have a chance of coming down to 1931. Let me try to look to see why 1931 is an issue. So kind of like that would be one, and then this guy right here would be another. So that's the area of importance. So if we break, this will be our next area, 30. But he was thinking 31. Rest easy knowing you captured that bag. Exactly, Octane. When you got that bag, you just sleep like a baby. Anyone else addicted to charts? Hey, Andy. Let me just tell you, bro. And Andy, let me just tell you. I went to work, like I said, I went to work for 12 hours. And then I came home and got right on the charts for another. I've been on the charts pretty much since about 5 o'clock. 5-6 o'clock, because I got on during Asian. So man, I'm in love with it. It's a move from 1 year ago. Damn. I appreciate you guys for liking and subscribing. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's hit almost 700 subscribers. We're almost there. We just need about 70 more and we're there. Yes, go will hit 1931 level. Oh, Rico, that's what I'm talking about. You know what you're talking about. So 1931. Let's try to see why 1931. 1931, yeah. Project, baby. It really grew on me, bro. I was really playing games every day, working. I was so addicted to the game ever since I came across Forex. I can't stop with it, nor I get off the charts. I feel you, Project. Hey, I'm the same way. Isn't it now? Isn't it like a even better video game than any video game that you've ever played? It's like the best video game ever. Now I made it a rule that I don't play the game, and it's crazy what it took for me to finally realize it and give it up. Hey man, that's what's up, man. I guess just be grateful that you were able to finally realize it, you know, because a lot of people never realize it. But I feel you, bro. I feel you. I was the same way. And then it just became like, now it's a part of me. If I don't get on the charts, I feel like I'm missing something. I'm doing something. I'm not doing something I'm supposed to. I'm wondering if this could be like the same move as earlier. If this breaks the low, I wonder if on the way up, if it could just fill this wick up at least. Because it might need to come down to grab liquidity. But I'm just wondering. But yeah, Project, I feel you, bro. That's facts, man. Now all I do is like, this my life, man. Charts. I'm around charts all day now. And that's why too I started streaming, just because I'm spending so much time on charts. I might as well, you know, just do it online. I've set a rule for myself from 8 a.m. to 12, so about 4 hours. If I have an open trade, I extend. Oh, that's nice, Andy. That's a good rule. That's a good discipline rule. And like I said, as long as you stick to it and you don't mess up, yeah, you'll be good, bro. That's a good idea. And Andy, do you trade funded challenge? Jonathan, I don't. Currently, I don't. I trade personal money. But what was crazy is the few days before this FF or this MFF stuff how it happened, I was looking into it, trying to get it funded, and you know, do a few things. But yeah, no, I just kind of glad I dodged that bullet, because I was almost gonna get it, and then I just said I'll wait. But yeah, so currently right now I just trade personal. Like I said, I'm not the richest trader in the world. I'm just a normal person like you and me. I got a normal job. I'm trying to make it out the hood, that's all. free fall. There it goes. And look at, guys, if you guys were kind of this was like a celery play also, but this one don't have a top wick, so this is why it could be coming back up. Nice, bro. How you manage risk per trade or per day? How do I manage risk? Well, before I get into a trade, I definitely have a plan. I stick to my playbook, and I try to stick to my my ideas that I use when I trade. You know, I try to stay disciplined and stuff like that. You know, I have areas of take profit. I have areas of break to bring my stop loss to break even, and things like that before I even get into a trade. But I don't know if that, maybe if you ask, the less trades you take, the less change you are, or the less chances you are wrong. So it's best to set rules, wait for 3 confirmations, and write entry 1 trade per day or more. Yeah, and that's exactly right. I don't want to have to take 10 trades a day. I mean, but if I see 10 trades in a row that I believe that are all part of my playbook, I might as well take them. But it just takes a little bit of, but all right, champ, get some rest. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting off too in the next half hour or so, next 20 minutes, because I do got to get ready for New York also. Don Vo's making a comeback, so we're gonna try to hopefully take another dub. But yeah, like I said, I mean, there's days I've taken 3-4 trades in a row, and then there's days I've only taken 1 trade. So it kind of just depends on, you know, what your goal is and what you're trying to do. But you definitely don't want to overtrade, because that's how you know, blow your account. Like I said, only start trading a lot like them if you got a professional contract. Look at the 15-minute chart. Risk management is 1 to 2%. It's a slow and steady grow. Yeah, exactly. Look at the 15-minute chart. Yes. Blowing right through all of that. Wow. Let's see. And always 1 to 3, or at least 1 to 2. Also know when you are wrong, or if a trend changes. It's okay to go without 3. Yes. This current candle doesn't have a top wick. 6 more minutes. At any point, this could turn around still, though. This could turn around and go all the way back up. See next peak adjust your stop loss to profits, and then you're risk free at that point, and you can go do something else. Yeah, exactly. 1% per trade is a nice challenge. What music you listen to? That is true. You don't need a lot, because like I said, you get 1% a day, and you know there's 20 days to trade, that you'll end up with 20%, you know. But the music I listen to is a lo-fi. It's called 4K lo-fi hip-hop beats, and there's no copyright, so even though it shows up as copyright on my YouTube, it doesn't delete the videos. It lets me, you know, use that music to stream. But yeah. Oh, but besides that lo-fi, if you're talking about real music, I mean, yeah, I got you. I kind of just got it right now. I listen to a lot of different people, like obviously the famous people, Lil Baby, J. Cole, everybody. I listen to everybody. I don't discriminate. But I listen to rap music mostly though. I like all music. I don't not like anything, but I do listen to the most rap music. Where would your favorite guru stack onto a profitable trade, now or the retracement to the fallback down? All right, so the guy that I learned from, he has a thing called zucchini, and then he also has a thing called pineapple. So let's say he gets into the trade here at this point. He would wait until this next major area to set another buy. So if it happens to come down here, and let's say he's wrong, he would take the trade here at the bottom, and once the when the first trade gets back to break even, he's closing his second trade in profit, because his first trade was here to expect it go up, but you know, let's say it draws down, he takes another one here at break even of the first one, he closes, and then the second one is the one that gets the profits, if that makes sense. I meant more in general. Yeah, I do production and DJing. Oh, Andy, where are you from, Andy? I forget if you told me already, but sorry, but where are you from? I'm just wondering, that way goes down. August, yeah. Where would your favorite? Okay, yeah. So that's kind of his idea. So he calls those pineapples. Hey, what's up, Casey? Hey, bro. Good insight here. You trade like Donvo. Yeah, I tried to. I learned. That's who I learned from. I learned everything I know from Donvo. I wouldn't be here without Donvo. I knew you were following the playbook. Big shout out from DVS, bro. Hey, appreciate it, Casey. Appreciate it. Yeah, everything I learned is from Donvo. That's kind of where I got my my whole playbook on my computer screen, is all because of Donvo. But yeah, man, everything Donvo has done for me, man, I'm always gonna be grateful for that guy. Even if he never speaks to me in person, maybe one day I can meet him. But yeah, like I said, I pretty much try to trade like Donvo. I mean, like I said, the zucchinis and pineapples and stuff, I try to implement that into my strategy pretty much. But yeah, that's kind of what this is. I mean, I didn't take any trades right now. I already took a trade with Wix on Asian session, so I kind of was only taking something if I really, really trusted it. But the trade that I would have wanted would have been this guy. A little while ago, his name was Caleb in the chat. He actually called it out perfectly. He was like, and we were talking about it. We're like, okay, yeah, and that's why I had put this blue box. And then I started explaining something else on a different chart, and then I kind of got distracted and I missed this entry. But it was a perfect entry for him to write it all the way down. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing and doing right now. But yeah, I appreciate it, Casey, for stopping by. Whoa, look at that move. Casey did say it was probably going to come down to 31, so I wouldn't doubt that he wasn't wrong. But yeah, I appreciate you guys all for watching. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah, we got 52 people watching right now. I appreciate it. I have the same setup. Perfect. That's what's up, Casey. Yeah, man, it's the only playbook I run by right now. Like I said, if it's not in the playbook, I try not to take it. Pineapple is marginal trading strategy. I'm not sure what that is, to be exact, but pretty much what it is just like I said, it's a first entry, and your second entry will be the one in drawdown. While your first one is in drawdown, you take your entry here. So if that's kind of what that's considered, then I guess, but I don't really know, to be honest. It's not like a hedge because it's not going in the opposite direction. It's just like an additional. Yeah, he's had some wild trades with that. There was a 24-hour stream too he did. Kind of the same concept, bro. Yep. And also, he doesn't try to do that either. It's almost when the trade doesn't go as planned, that's his like adjustment to fixing the trade, pretty much. But yeah, like I said, you guys could get his free playbook from his website. If you guys look on controllerfx.com, you guys just type that in and you guys will be able to get his free playbook. There's a lot of freebies on there. Go check it out. And also, if you guys haven't followed our Instagram, make sure you guys follow the Instagram. That way you guys could DM me if you guys have any questions or anything like that. Race the King, good morning, good morning. And we got 55 people watching, and if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I really appreciate it. And we just hit 626 subscribers, man. I appreciate you guys for doing that. Sounds like dollar cost averaging. Yeah, Octane, that is pretty much a good way of explaining it. But it's obviously like, it's just yeah, like if it's only in drawdown though, obviously, yeah, he doesn't really add positions to the winners, because if they're winners, they're already winners. But it's just I guess the one that goes into drawdown. That way you have a chance of getting out, even at break even or something, because he understands how markets work. So he knows that if it breaks at this point, it's gonna need to come back and retest it eventually. So that just kind of his idea of pretty much saving a trade, pretty much. But it's a brilliant idea. I mean, it's almost I don't think I could say I've seen him lose by doing it. He always breaks even or wins a little bit. But yeah, it's a good strategy. Like I said, it's a good strategy. Fake out maybe. Uh-oh, fake out. And we got the motion printing. Oh man. And this one don't have a top wick? Ooh. If this green candle breaks the low and goes back up, don't tell me that's another celery. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just drop a comment. I'm out for the day, 2%. Be good, guys. Yeah, for sure, Andy. You guys have a good night. All right. But yeah, I'm probably going to be getting off too. I got to take a shower, and then I'm going to get ready for New York session. So we'll be definitely on in a few hours for New York. So if you guys don't mind, make sure you guys subscribe, turn the notifications on. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for all watching. Like I said, we did take a trade earlier, and we missed these two trades right now, kind of. So that's kind of my fault. I got a little distracted. I mean, no, there's no excuses. No excuses. No excuses. It was my fault. I missed those trades. But it's all right. Like I said, I definitely wasn't also trying to pressure on myself or to take a trade, because we did just already win one. So, you know, usually you win one and call it a day. But like I said, I'm glad it was that. Let's see. All right, but yeah, good night, guys. I'll see you guys in the New York session. If you guys see me in the chat, say hi. I'll see you guys in